Tired of spending hours styling your hair every morning? Discover these effortless, low-maintenance layered haircuts that will completely transform your look while saving you precious time. 1. Effortless Butterfly Cut. This voluminous style features shorter, face-framing layers blending into longer lengths. It is perfect for thick hair, offering maximum movement without heavy styling, instantly adding youthful bounce. A fantastic choice for round or square face shapes. The cascading feathered tiers contour the jawline effortlessly and require only a quick rough dry to achieve this stunning salon blowout look daily. 2. Extra Shag with curtain bangs. This rock chic cut is ideal for fine or medium hair. The heavy crown layers and center-parted bangs create an illusion of thickness and effortless texture, requiring just a texturizing spray to style. An incredible option for those seeking a rebellious yet feminine vibe. The face-framing fringe softly flatters a prominent forehead, while the air-dried choppy ends provide an inherently cool, edgy aura. 3. Modern Choppy Lob. The universally flattering lob suits almost everyone. By adding blunt, choppy layers at the ends, it gives fine hair serious density and movement while demanding absolutely zero heat styling on busy days. Perfect for women transitioning from short to long hair. The textured ends remove unwanted bulk from thick hair, ensuring a perfectly messy, wash-and-go silhouette that always looks intentionally styled. 4. Invisible layers for long hair. Designed specifically for ultra-long hair, this technique removes internal weight without sacrificing length. It prevents long hair from looking flat and lifeless, making everyday brushing a total breeze. This is the ultimate savior for thick, unruly hair that feels too heavy. The concealed layering technique encourages natural waves to form beautifully on their own, drastically reducing drying time. 5. Soft French bob with face-framing layers, the epitome of effortless chic. This chin-grazing cut is ideal for naturally wavy textures. It perfectly accentuates the jawline and neck while providing a highly sophisticated look with minimal effort. A brilliant option for fine hair needing instant volume. The subtle layering provides a built-in shape, meaning you can simply wash, tousle with your fingers, and walk out the door looking fabulous. 6. Wispy Wolf Cut. A softer, highly wearable take on the viral trend. This cut beautifully balances volume at the top with thinned-out ends. It is incredibly flattering for oblong faces, adding necessary horizontal width. This highly textured style removes all the hard work from daily styling. It naturally embraces frizz and flyaways, turning them into a purposely messy, grunge glamour aesthetic that lasts for days. 7. Mid-length U-cut with sweeping layers. This elegant curved silhouette creates the illusion of thicker, fuller hair. It is phenomenal for medium to thick straight hair, requiring no daily heat while gracefully framing the entire upper body. A highly versatile choice that prevents the dreaded triangle head effect. The U-shape softly eliminates heavy corners, allowing the hair to naturally fall into a beautiful cascade without any styling fuss. 8. Razor Pixie-Bob with crown layers. This ultra-short style merges the edge of a pixie with the safety of a bob. It is magnificent for women wanting to drastically reduce their morning routine while maintaining a highly tailored look. Fantastic low-maintenance fix for fine hair. The razor cut ends create built-in texture and volume, meaning a quick rub of styling paste is all you need to achieve a salon-quality, effortlessly cool vibe. 9. Long V-cut with feathered ends. This dramatic style adds serious dimension to extremely long hair. It is phenomenal for bringing life to heavy, flat locks, providing incredible swinging movement that requires zero styling tools to look great. Highly recommended for women with dense, thick hair. The severe V-shape dramatically reduces weight from the sides, ensuring your hair naturally falls into a perfectly angled, cascading waterfall every time. 10. Blunt Collarbone Cut with hidden layers. The ultimate chic choice for the minimalist. This cut offers the crisp, solid appearance of a blunt cut while utilizing invisible interior layers to prevent the hair from puffing out, ensuring easy styling. This brilliant style is a lifesaver for thick hair wanting a short, sharp look. The hidden layering stops the dreaded mushroom effect, allowing you to air dry your hair completely straight with zero fuss.